Hello everybody, I am Dr. Salma Mehdi, Senior Sujok Practitioner from Visakhapatnam, India. I had got a lot of questions and queries about how Sujok system is working. So today I have decided to give you some introduction about Sujok correspondence system on Nori medicine. This system is developed by Professor Park Jae-woo, a renowned Korean scientist. Sujok name also has come from Korean language. Su means hand and jok means foot in Korea. This system has developed on the likeness or similarity fundamentals. Professor in very early age started focusing on the diseases and sufferings and its solutions. He found a similarity between hand, foot and the body in early 1953. He worked on this concept for 20 years. Almost 1973 he developed Onnuri medicine. Under Onnuri medicine he developed Sujok correspondence system, 6 key, 8 keys, diamond system, and many more. The list is endless. But here I'll be keeping it to Sujok standard correspondence system. This system is working on the correspondence reflection of the body in the hand and foot. Our whole body reflects itself in our hand and feet because we can see the most similar part of our body is hand, foot and body itself. We can segmentize our body into 16 parts. Like from trunk, we are having 5 protrusion coming out, trunk, head, 2 arms, 2 legs, like that. In palm, in hand, center part is palm, thumb and 4 fingers. So it looks very similar and body creates its correspondence system in the hand and feet. So head and neck 2 parts, thumb also has 2 parts, head and neck. Professor said thumb responses to head correspondence system because thumb is the most important part of the hand, like head. If in the hand thumb is missing, it is very difficult to perform its function, similar to the body. If body doesn't have head, body has no life, no meaning. So here in standard correspondence system, thumb represents head, this is neck. Above lifeline, the area corresponds to the chest where we can operate our lungs and heart diseases. And below wrist, this whole area responses to the abdominal diseases and organs. This area. And fingers are corresponding to arms and legs. So what happens when in sickness condition, body creates a curative energy field in the correspondence area. Suppose if we are talking about headache. So head, similar here head, headache, sick area, suppose temporal, it will create it correspondence area here, which will be the dense field of curative waves. By stimulating this point with the help of any soft gentle object, or these are the probes which we use to stimulate and pressure, we can stimulate and pressurize this area. It is corresponding to the temporal area. Here When we do this, we release the correspondence curative wave which will go and heal the sick head area. This is the front part of the body. This is responsible for front part of the body, and dorsal side of the hand connects to the back side of our body. So back of head, neck, this is a very, very prominent and important area for cervical conditions. These are the thoracic zone where upper back issues can be dealt. Then these are the back, lower back, mid back, lower back, lumbar area where we can stimulate, massage and apply some seeds to get the curative effect. So you can call, friends, hand and feet are remote control of our body. By stimulating your hand and feet relevant area, we can influence our body and heal itself. So I urge you all to learn this system, because this is a very simple system. It is a science of common sense. Here, not only medico, but non-medico, even the housewives can learn this in this pandemic scenario. It will be very, very helpful tool for you to manage your health without any medicine, without any side effect. If you want any personalized consultation, you can contact me through the link given in the description box, and you can contact us. We can help you and guide you on your personalized diseases. And please, friends, if you like my videos and tips, like, share and subscribe. All the best. Stay home, stay safe, happy healing.